Welcome to qnawire.
Consider triangle ABC, where AB is equal to C centimetres, BC is equal to A centimetres, and AC is equal to B centimetres. Fill in the blanks with is greater than, is less than or equal to, is greater than or equal to, or is equal to in the following statements. For any side in the triangle, say A, B plus C, what A? Therefore, we can conclude that A plus B plus C, what 2A. If we denote the perimeter of the triangle by P, then 1/2 P, what A? In this question, we are asked to fill in the blanks in 3 statements using a given figure of a triangle. Since these statements all involve the lengths of sides in the triangle, we will start by recalling the triangle inequality. This tells us that the sum of the lengths of any 2 sides in a triangle must be greater than the length of the remaining side. If we apply the triangle inequality to this triangle, then we can see that the sum of the lengths of AC and AB must be greater than the length of the remaining side BC. Hence, B plus C is greater than A. In the second part of this question, we want to compare the sum of 3 side lengths in the triangle with 2 times the length A. We can do this by using the inequality in the first part of the question. We know that B plus C is greater than A, so we can add A to both sides of the inequality to obtain another inequality. This gives us that A plus B plus C is greater than 2A. Hence, the answer is greater than. We have shown that in any triangle, the sum of the side lengths is greater than twice the length of any side. In the final part of this question, we want to compare the perimeter of the triangle to the lengths of one of its sides. To do this, we recall that the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of its side lengths, so P is equal to A plus B plus C. We can substitute this into the inequality in the second part of this question to get that P is greater than 2A. We can then divide both sides of the inequality by 2 to obtain that 1/2 P is greater than A. Hence, we have shown that 1/2 P is greater than A. This result is true for any side in any triangle. So, we have proven that half the perimeter in any triangle is greater than any of its side lengths.